Okay, this is the instructional guide for Primary 4, Term 1, Week 2. Okay, so it's continuation from what you did last session, routing and estimation. So teach is per normal, right? Use as an example. And then after that, you can do the guided practice with them. You might want to demo a few questions, but otherwise, I think it is rather straightforward. Perhaps pay particular attention to question 3, right, in which you have to show them how to, well, let's put it, how do they check whether the answer is reasonable or not, okay? And then I would say skip a lot of these kind of questions here, right? They don't wait because it's repetitive, right? It's what they have already done here. Although I think you can try perhaps a subtraction question with them, right? So perhaps try one subtraction question with them, right? Make sure that they know what to do as well. Okay, but otherwise they are the same. Okay, and then whether it's reasonable or not. And then move on all the way to, let's see, you can do question 5 with them in class. Okay, help them out. And then do question, let's see, I would say do question 9, which is a bit tricky. Okay, question is, let's see, what else? This is a bit tricky, take note, right? Because the price is for each chair and the table, but there are 2 chairs here. All right, so don't tell them yet, right? So let's see how they go. See, use this as a chance to see anyone is, in a way, alert enough, right, to note that they should multiply chair by 2 first. Okay. And then finally, maybe do one question 13 with them, and the rest can be assigned as homework. So I'll suggest maybe just, because it's a lot of repetitive work, for this kind of a question, you can assign homework from 9 all the way to the end, right? 9 to 20, okay? So it's up to you, right? But okay, those are the key questions. And then for the second booklet is heuristics. So please, this is a very important important method, right? Looking for patterns. So take your time to teach this, right? Okay, use this learn segment, right, to show them. So you can actually avoid this portion here and just start with learn segment. Okay, teach them how to identify the pattern. Okay, and then based on the pattern, right, you can see there are 2 methods. One is the right-hand table, but the other way is also to use multiplication to help them, right? Because why is method 2 preferred, right? What happens if the question is asking about not just 8 tables, but more? All right, so they need to be able to know how to do these questions, okay? What if they're asking 22 tables or 53 tables, right? It'd be quite impossible to draw the table out, or rather to draw this kind of a table out instead. So hence method 2 is preferred. Okay, and then for guided practice, can actually do, let me see, let me point out, oh no, sorry. There are more guided practice here, so please go through all these guided practice with them. Okay, and then I think by the time you finish this, time is almost up. So I would say, assign question 1 as homework. Okay, question 2 as well as homework, right? In fact, I shouldn't. Okay, let me see. Okay, sorry, I shouldn't mark it out like that, because otherwise you guys will get confused. Okay, so if you have time, right, let me retract. Okay, do this together with, do this question together with them in class. This question as well. Okay, and this question as well. All right, the rest can be assigned as homework. I know there'll be students that'll be lost, but we can always do a group corrections, group corrections, right, at the next class after all this has been marked. Okay, all right. So, and that's it for that's it for this week's P4 topics. So for the heuristics, right, if you are able to cover more questions in class other than those that I circled, please do so. Okay, but the key ones, the ones I circled, are those that you're supposed to go through with them in class. All right, that's it.